There you go.
He said, I'm going to get my slice and I'm
really
going. So Katie, get in there. Or Sadie, get in there, girl.
Sadie, come on.
She's too big. She's too big of a scaredy cat.
Sadie, come on. Sadie.
She's like, I'll take it.
She goes, I said, she never been to your birthday party. Actually, Smiley hasn't either.
Reggie's standing in the cake.
Yeah.
Lewis.
Okay.
They were reasonable last time.
Well, Lewis takes
This way
it.
he did
I'm
last
taking a piece of birthday cake to Tara.
Aww.
Since she wasn't here, she'll think that's,
Oh,
who
good.
knows what she'll think.
Sadie got it. I think Reggie's definitely.
What a cute idea. Now, what is it made of? What is?
It has semolina and soy flour and bananas and ginger and cinnamon.
Baking powder, baking soda. Eggs.
So how'd you find out about that?
I just found some recipes online for dog-friendly birthday cakes.
And we actually have cookbooks for dogs.
Yeah, and I have dogs.
Because you know what, that scared me to death. I saw on something that gave
I'm
us
not good at
all the stuff that can hurt them.
Oh yeah.
I mean, there was like 2
get it.
pages of stuff.
Yeah.
I never used my
Things you don't think of. Like you gave them grapes, and they can eat grapes.
Or raisins.
Nope.
Well, I just took Brooklyn to the doctor because she had had her share of, what is that, winter rye grass?